Hi, good morning. My name is Vikas. I am a BBA graduate from DAV IM. Recently, I joined a course of financial modeling and valuations that I've done with the IB Institute. Earlier, I was thinking like it was a good course or not, but seriously, after doing that course, it was like I have a great brief of investment banking terms, various aspects of investment banking like financial modeling, valuations, different type of valuation, DCF, comparable, and merger acquisition. So I have a very brief view of that, and I was not from this field, but still, when I learned this, it was immense knowledgeful for me. And recently, I got also placed in GMR company, which is a great multinational company of finance, and I was working with them around for like 3 to 4 months, and this course was really a great course for me, and I find it very comfortable. And Manoj sir is very great, Ankur sir is very great. They teach me a lot, and they even help me to get the placement. So I'm just saying that their services was like amazing. So I hope that you all will join their course also, and love their learnings. Thank you very much.